Hello jewelry makers, this is Glitter Critter. This is a spring-loaded clasp that I made from copper, and it's on a anklet that I wear actually. And I wanted to show you how to operate this little thing. It's really, really simple. You slide it on and on, or off and on. And it's pretty secure, it's not going anywhere. This is really great for men's jewelry and anklets, bracelets, things that you really don't want to be coming off. And I can't really see what I'm doing, so pardon me. Really love this thing. And that's about it. You look for me on Artfire. My studio name is Glitter Critter, and you can see my jewelry by typing jewelryontheRocks.com into your address bar. See you later.